Galit John.
Okay. Ako una titikin.
Kaya ka po ate.
Nanay, ayan si nanay. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
For once in my life, I have someone who needs me. Someone I needed so long.
Sino ka kanina yan ngayon?
For once I'm afraid.
Mamaya, iyan
I
natin.
can go where life leads to me. Somehow I know I'll be strong. For once I can touch what my heart used to dream of long before. Someone more like you would make my dreams come true. For once in my life, I won't let you hurt me, not like it hurt.
Ah, pumutok na. Pumutok yung isang green.
I have something I know won't really certain me. I'm not alone anymore.
Sarap naman.
For once I can say, this is mine, you can take it. As long as I know I have love,
Mainit yan.
I can make it. For once in my life, I have someone who needs me. For once in my life, I have someone